Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Okay. So we're going to do a quick unboxing video. We just had some books that came in, I guess, Mod 1. So let's just open our box. Put that to the side because we need that. And then put that to the side because we need that. Okay. I'm so excited. And it's funny because some of these books I don't remember what the reviews said. The big thing is you look at reviews, make sure there's favorable reviews, and then it says that the books are appropriate for middle school. If they're young adult lit, they have to have favorable reviews, and then our students at our school, they have to do a permission slip in order to read those young adult lit books. So there are a few young adult lit books based on students' requests that we've ordered. So I think this might be one. Barely Missing Everything is a book that just came out. Oh, and don't forget, everybody gets to take a turn smelling. Oh, that smells good. Okay, I don't know. Okay. And then you just sit down. Doesn't it smell good? Okay. And then you can smell this one. Okay, so this is the Surprise Attack of Jabba the Puppet. So this is for someone who likes books like Dork Diaries or Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So it's very funny. So you might want to look at that. It's got pictures. All right, and then the other part in the series, The Secret of the Fortune Wookiee. That's funny. And now catch. Ooh, look. Princess Label Maker to the Rescue. So these are all origami Yoda books. Ooh, okay, I remember this because, yeah, students said that they wanted this. The Empire Pickle Time Rides the Bus.
That looks like the Bruce.
Well, but it's supposed to be like the Empire, what was his name? One of the bad guys in Star Wars. Well, in the book, he's Emperor.
That black guy.
I said Empire. Emperor. No, that's Darth. He's different. But he's like, I forget his name. I feel terrible. I can't remember. Mr. Lewis and Miss Byrne know who he is. Darth Paper Strikes Back. Tom Engelberger's The Quick Pick Papers Poop Fountain. It's funny. You don't sound excited. Okay. Ooh, A High-Low Adventure, Then Everything Went Wrong, and it has color pictures in this one. Ooh. Ah. Oh. And another high-low. You didn't smell it. You gotta smell this one. So sometimes because the ink that they use, especially if it's colored ink or something like that, and over the paper, it makes this smell, yeah. But it doesn't mean it's not a great book, it just doesn't smell that great.
Yeah.
Okay, Alex Rider, Eagle Strike, the graphic novel. I was really excited to get these because a lot of students like Alex Rider, and now we have the graphic novel. So we'll get more people into this series. And Action, Adrenaline, Adventure. Alex Rider. I just don't like books with colored ink and pictures. They never smell good. All right, so that's our unboxing video.
Yeah.
Anything that you guys want to say on a positive note?
No. Okay, I'll introduce myself.
Don't say your last name though.
Okay. My name is Panda the Panda.
Okay.
My name is Mama. My name is Brenda.
Okay. So these are just, and then we have a student holding the camera. I can at least say your first name, right?
Mm-hmm.
Marjorie is our new Lunch Bunch member, so she's helping us with the camera work. So thank you for watching our unboxing video. Have a great weekend.
Bye.
See you in the LITLC.